Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Dave here, and today we're going to dive into something that can seem a bit intimidating at first, the process of credit repair. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down into simple, manageable steps. Let's get your credit back to where you want it to be. First up, let's understand what goes into your credit score. It's a mix of your payment history, debts, length of credit history, new credit, and types of credit used. Knowing this helps you target to where you need to focus your repair efforts. Your credit repair journey starts with getting your credit reports from the three major bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You're entitled to a free report from each one once a year. Study these reports carefully for any discrepancies. Errors on your credit report can drag your score down. If you find any, dispute them immediately. This includes incorrect personal information, balances, or accounts that aren't yours. Contact both the credit bureau and the creditor to rectify these mistakes. Now let's focus on your debts. High outstanding debts, especially credit card debts, can negatively impact your score. Work on a strategy to pay these down, whether it's the snowball method, focusing on small debts first, or the avalanche method, paying off high interest debts. Each time you apply for new credit, it can result in a hard inquiry, which might lower your score. Be strategic about applying for new credit. Only do so when it's absolutely necessary. Building good credit isn't just about fixing past mistakes. It's about establishing healthy financial habits. Make your payments on time, keep your credit utilization low, and be mindful of how often you're applying for new credit. Lastly, keep an eye on your credit. Regular monitoring not only helps you track your progress, but also alerts you to any potential issues quickly. Remember, credit repair is a journey. It takes time, patience, and consistency. But with these steps, you're well on your way to a healthier credit score. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks, and check out the link in my bio for additional resources. Let's tackle this credit repair journey together.